Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by seeding the alternative. Generate a server-side session ID and a short-lived secure token, then attach them to the response header. Because browsers restrict third-party cookies, you move storage to the server and set same site and secure flags. Once done, send the initial cookie via HTTPS so the browser stores only a minimal reference. Make sure to log the association of token to user state. This is how you maintain continuity without relying on cross-site cookie access. You continue by validating that token on every incoming request at the server, then exchange or rotate it to reduce replay risk. Because the browser only holds a short reference, you fetch user state from a server-side store and reattach minimal info in responses. Once validation passes, update the persisted session data and issue a fresh token header. Make sure to rotate tokens after sensitive events, because this minimizes exposure while keeping the client lightweight and compatible with modern privacy. To finish, invalidate tokens on logout and when TTL expires, and require reauthentication if a token fails validation. If a user's browser blocks headers or strips cookies, fall back to sign local storage entries with short lifetimes and server-side verification. Once deployed, monitor auth failures and rate of token mismatches. If you see spikes, force full relogins and inspect header delivery. One tip: if sessions unexpectedly drop, check HTTPS enforcement and same site behavior. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.